is Devrina. Welcome to my channel, Indie Yogi. 10 asanas to increase your core strength, cut down your belly fat, and increase your spine flexibility. Without wasting your time, I'm going to straight away jump into the asanas. So we're going to keep our wrists underneath our shoulders, extend our legs behind on the mat, keep the core really engaged, stomach muscles tightened. And now if you're comfortable, then you can also go further forward with your wrists slightly staying behind your shoulders. Now from the high plank position, you're going to rotate your torso, your entire body weight, and carry it on your right palm. So as a beginner, you might choose to place your left leg behind on the ground, or if you're comfortable, then you can stack the leg on top of the right leg. Now sit down with your chest and spine straight, knees bent, palms behind your hips and the fingertips pointing towards your hips. Press the floor with your palms and try to really engage your core, your hip muscles, and lift your body off the ground. The body looks like a reverse tabletop. Now, if you're comfortable here, you can extend the legs one by one into the reverse plank position. Backward bends always help in increasing spine strength and flexibility, an integral part of our core region. So you're going to raise your arms up and get into deep backward bend without bending the knees, really engaging the spine. Raised arm squats. Keep your feet, your knees joined together, arms raised above your shoulders. Make sure while you're squatting down, you do not let your arms fall. That is where your core comes into action. We are not going to let our arms fall. Ideally, the glutes, the hips, the back, and the arms should be in a straight line. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg behind from the tabletop position. As you can see, this requires a lot of core stability and balance. Contract your abdominal muscles really tight and try to keep the balance. Hips and feet grounded, knees bent, palms slightly forward with respect to your hips on either side. Now one by one, gradually extend your legs and try to straighten them in the air. Recline slightly behind, and then if you do have enough core stability and balance, try to release your arms and keep them parallel to your legs. Lie down on your back and place your palms next to your hips. Slowly lift your legs up at about 45 degrees to the ground, toes pointed away from you and knees straightened. Try to hold this position for at least 10 seconds. To deepen the pressure on your lower abdominal muscles, you can further go for 10 to 15 repetitions of leg switches, again keeping your knees straight and toes pointed. Now lie down on your chest, place your palms next to your chest and lift your upper body completely up, stretching your spine, improving the flexibility and strength in the cobra position. Interlock your fingers behind your body and try to lift your upper body and your legs simultaneously up together. This requires a lot of core strength, balance, and stability. If you find this difficult, you can also try this without keeping your fingers interlocked, flying like a bird. Extend your arms above your head. Keeping your hips and heels glued to the mat, exhale through your mouth like you would blow a whistle. And then crunch up. Do not let the heels come off the mat. Continue in dynamic manner for 10 to 15 repetitions, really engaging your upper abdominal muscles. Take the high plank position, the one we had practiced in the first step. Fold your left knee and try to hook the knee on the side of your left tricep. Hold the stretch for about 5 to 10 seconds and repeat on the other side. You can also perform mountain climbers in dynamic fashion, touching the bent knee to the same side elbow and continuing to practice for about 20 repetitions. By the way, I've just started out. I really need your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my content.